Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 comments past question. Question number 29 says an individual employed to act on behalf of an other within a specified guideline is dash. Within a specified guideline, it means on agreed contract or agreed procedure. On agreed contract, that is on this matter, is called dash. A, jobber. B, an agent. C, a broker. D, a distributed. The correct option here is option B, an agent. An agent is a human being or a person. An agent, okay, an agent is a person who serves as a middleman in order to reach a contract. So it's a middleman between two other parties. Please take note, between the buyer and the seller, or between the seller and the buyer. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you.